Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Etsy AI tools with automation workflows for listing drafts, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Etsy account. Navigate to the Etsy shop settings section. Look for the option to connect third-party apps. Choose an AI tool that supports Etsy listing automation. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, locate the automation workflows section within the tool. Select the option to create a new workflow. Start by naming your workflow for easy identification. Choose the trigger for your workflow, such as when a new product is added. Next, add actions that the AI tool will perform, like generating titles and descriptions. Set the parameters for your listing drafts, including keywords and pricing strategies. Review the automation settings to ensure they meet your needs. Test the workflow with a sample listing to confirm its functionality. Monitor the performance of the automated drafts in your shop. Make adjustments to the workflow as necessary based on performance insights. Save the workflow once you are satisfied with its setup. Your Etsy AI tools with automation workflows are now ready for listing drafts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.